Date is June 17th, 2009. We are chasing a tornadic supercell right now north of Albert Lee. All right, we're getting underneath the supercell. It's still tornado warned, and there is a report of a funnel cloud on it.
I'm seeing the wall cloud now.
And we're kind of getting up on it.
Yeah.
Just trying to see where the wall cloud would be in here.
I can see it behind that white area.
Oh, really? You can?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right, storm is still tornado warned. We're just past through New Richland and heading towards Ellendale. It's if there's going to be a tornado on it, it will be just to the south of Ellendale. So we're on this thing.
All over it.
All over it. 5 miles, about 5 miles west. Way. There's a wall cloud in there.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. But it's
yeah, that's probably a hailstorm.
yeah. We're looking at 2 wall clouds.
This area here.
Look at that.
Is that a hailstone? All right, get some your video on.
Look at that.
All right,
Oh,
this is see it spin. The tornado's going to come out right there.
Yeah, it came right through here.
Yeah, just probably right before we got here.
wow.
What's this right here, Brad? I can't really see. Is that just the edge of the wall cloud?
That's the edge.
All
Yep.
right.
Yep.
So there's a little tornado touchdown, like just a really
Wow.
brief touchdown there.
Well, it didn't. At least it doesn't look
No,
overly bad, but
no, it doesn't. It doesn't look like that. Just phone poles and that, you know, kind of twisted a little bit. All right, I'm going straight, am I?
Yeah.
Is that all right? All right. Keep filming. Is this a train?
look at
track?
that.
Oh,
Took that power pole. There's
Yeah,
no.
look,
There's not a train coming.